Hey guys, welcome to my channel and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme P2 Pro 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, PIN or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And when the Realme logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. And now release. So here you can see now here, select language. And you can see in recovery, format data, reboot device, and power off is available. So here select format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code in format data 1122. Enter it 1122. So here you can see on bottom, format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. As you can see, wiping, please wait. And you can see on bottom, data is formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, again ask for password, PIN, or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So, guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme P2 Pro 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and call back account for the latest updates.